When purchasing Boza film, please check the screen size except the bezel of your device. Please check the contents after purchasing the product. There are 1 film, 6 double-sided stickers, 1 dust removal cloth, and small and large holder stickers. In addition, please make sure that the size of the purchased film is the same size as the screen except for the bezel of the device to be used. Remove the protective film on both sides of the film after checking that the film is the same size as the device you are using. Please check the film attachment point and which function to select. One side has anti-glare coating, no glare, and the other side has hard coating for strong privacy protection. There are 2 ways to use the film. The first is to use the hold sticker. It is recommended to use the film when there is a bezel step. Detach the hold sticker and remove the white protective paper. Face the curved surface inside the screen and attach the adhesive surface to the bezel. Attach it to the 6 bezels and put the film inside. The role of the hold sticker is to put a film between the screen and the hold sticker, so it is not recommended to use it on devices without bezels. The second method is to attach the film directly to the screen using a double-sided sticker. Grab the blue double-sided sticker, remove it from the storage paper, attach it directly to the film, and remove it again, leaving a clear double-sided sticker on the film. In this way, attach the screen evenly around the outside of the film, and then attach the screen and the double-sided sticker to the monitor. When attaching to the screen, press the double-sided sticker part once so that it sticks strongly. We learned how to attach in 2 ways. If you install the film properly, you will not know what information you are using on the screen at a viewing angle of 30 degrees left or right on your device. Boza Privacy Film will help you protect your privacy in this way.